Good afternoon, welcome to Hobo Mansion. A few bits I've bought from people over the years. Some of the suppliers make handmade carriers for the Zippos. There we go. And we've got some Zippo going on, we've got some Black Knight cider, and over here is Del Weber blade. But unfortunately, I live in England and you can't show blades because snowflakes get offended. This blade is amazing. It was gifted to me by a friend who died, passed away, Grumash. Quite emotional doing this video. Anyway, take care, look after each other, fuck the snowflakes.